All right, so I wanted to give a quick little update on pretty much the Humanities website that we've been working on. I just wanted to show you how the Nuxt-UIkit module that we have here is really powering things. To be honest, it's so seamless that you don't even notice anything in it. So I have the project over here. Again, it's a Nuxt application. I'm gonna look at the structure. I have it running, as you can see. This is pretty much everything. I would have showed all of that previously. Package.json just have a few stuff. The Nuxt-UIkit, UIkit is here, but it shouldn't have to be. And again, that's something that we're going to be working out very soon. And we pretty much, again, we just have some images and stuff like that in here. And what else do I need to show you? I don't know. I guess just looking at the website itself. But before we even do that, I'm just gonna go through the the project itself. SSR set false isn't something that is needed for the application here, but I have it set for a specific reason because I deployed it and I was having some issues when I had this enabled. I know how to fix it, but I wanted to deploy it because I was setting up for them to have a review, for the department to have a review, and some other persons to have a review of it. So I just want them to see it because this application has to run with SSR for certain things that will be added to it. So that's pretty much it for it. In the app section, we have the different assets, the components, composables, and the different pages. Here, app is pretty simple. It just has a few little stuff in here: the layout, the header, the footer, nav canvas for mobile accessibility, and the page will just have some basic page. Again, we have blog and stuff like that that will be added in the next release, because this one I just wanted for them to pretty much review it as a draft for what we'll be doing. But we need to add some stuff like the museum, because we have a museum for the department, so we want to have a lot of content for it and how to like book a viewing and stuff like that, in addition to the center page, which is going to be for some lab related stuff that we also manage in there. So I think that pretty much covers it. It's pretty basic, just pages with information. Most of it is primarily placeholder text. A lot of it, some of it is related to the department for which I had, but a lot of it will be coming from, will be getting some more information from the department to ensure that everything is accurate and actually up to date. And yeah, I think that covers it about center contact events that the department holds for the faculty members, in addition to museum, and why anyone would want to be in the humanities department is awesome. So that's why. So pretty much what we have here is just some programs, and again, UIkit Nuxt is powering. UIkit is powering pretty much all of this. These icons are UIkit, all of these, and everything here is there. Layout is pretty simple, um, component based, and all of that. When we click on any of these links, it will just take us to the why for the humanities. I will just give you some information as to why, different career path that the graduates can take, in addition to just some testimonials on here. And we all, as you can notice, that we have this call to action here for them to apply. This will take us to the main NTU website for the application page, and they'll also can schedule a visit, or there's another call to action for getting to the contact page. So if I click here, it's going to take us to the contact page, and so you can get in touch whether via email or social media, whatever. Social media isn't there that much, but email and the phone number for department. We went to the blog already, I guess. No, the about, I should say, and this will just give some information. Some of it is obviously it's outdated. Some of it needs to be updated, I should say. But that is pretty much it for that. And where we touched home about contact already, the blog page. This is something that will be added soon. So this is proper in the way that I want it to be, because the department should be able to update it automatically without my intervention or anybody else who's developing this, or well, very slight intervention. They should be able to go ahead and do this. And we're going to be using Nuxt Studio or Nuxt content actually for managing that. Obvious persons who are within the department, and we can skip through the different persons who are there, so that we have all of that. For resources, instead of having a whole bunch of links covering everything, I just wrap them into the resources, where we have the Language Center History Museum in addition to the events. So Language Center will have the stuff related to this. Is definitely unfinished, so we have the work in progress here. And for the History Museum, it's the same thing, and finish a lot of stuff that needs to come in here very soon. And for the events, it's the same gist. We can filter through different events, and we can also have this newsletter option for them to sign up to never miss anything. This big apply button here will take them to the same apply site for the main NCU webpage. And if we should switch this over to the desktop, the mobile view here, we'll have, the only thing that changes that we have this little, it's just collapsed into this here. So we'll see the different links in here, and we can just click through them. I'll be able to get through to it. So that's pretty much all that we've been doing so far. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be updated on this, but they got this to review, just waiting for their feedback, in addition to some additional stuff that they should be presenting to me to add to this here. And that's it. As you can see here, Nuxt is pretty awesome, and UIkit, we're powering stuff, looks relatively good, at least in my opinion. If you have any comments or feedback on how things can be improved, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'm actually going to leave the link to the first draft in the description as well, so you can actually go ahead and look at it for yourself and give me your feedback. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.